This video will show you how to assemble the toy unit with coupling basket. First, unwrap the package and lay down the parts on a flat and clean surface. Second, drill the expansion bolts, the one with screw thread, into the hole of the side panels. Third, knot the V-tip into the hole of the side panels by hammer. Next, assemble the bottom and top panel. Put the strip on the corners and insert the back panel. Next, secure the left panel and then add a toe kick. Next, install the coupling basket. Fix the basket on the body. Next, join the doors with metal piece to make it sturdy. See the door detail for reference. Next, fix the hinges to the door panel. Connect the door to the body. Finally, your toy unit cabinet is now finished.